What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I want to talk about something a little bit off topic from investing. Now, I just read an article talking about how AI is going to replace 45% of the labor workforce. So if you are in a position where you think your job can be taken over by AI or robots, then I would strongly suggest that you prepare. Now, they're saying by 2030, that's the year 2030, that AI will replace 45% of the workforce. Now, what does that mean for people that are going to lose their jobs due to this? Now, with increasing inflation and higher cost of living, lower wages earned, and an extremely high gap between the high earners and low earners of the world, that we need to prepare. You need to prepare. What are you going to be doing in 8 to 10 years from now? Are you going to be doing the same job or position that may be replaced by AI or robots? What can you do? What is one of your passions or desires that you want to do outside of work? How can you monetize that? Well, it all starts with this right here, the internet. Online businesses. We need to create things outside of the box. We need to think 10 or 20 years from now. Because if we do not, we are going to blink, and one day we're going to wake up and they are going to fire you and replace you for a robot. Now, this isn't for every job out there, but this is for 45% of the workforce. This is just an astounding number. What happens when you don't have the skills to do something else, or you didn't learn a new skill in the future to prepare you for this job loss? Then you become unemployed. Now, the unemployment rate will go up. It'll be much harder to acquire these skills later. There's going to be a higher demand, or actually there's going to be a lower demand, but there's going to be a higher competition rate, right? More people are going to be unemployed, fighting for more jobs. What do? Do we maybe repair these robots? We become technicians, mechanics. Do we get in more into the technology side of it? Software, development, research? We really need to start thinking outside the box for the future. That's what Investing for Beginners, my channel, my community, everything I do on YouTube, all the free information I put out there, and just my thoughts to help you guys grow and learn as fast as possible. That's what we all want to do. We're in an age of information, a vast amount of free information. And if we don't use this information and take action to create our own skill sets and level up in our own life, then this information is for nothing. It's useless. So I suggest that we start thinking about the future, because that is what Investing for Beginners is all about, and my channel is all about. Being prepared, learning, investing in yourself, investing in your future, investing, learning, growing for you to be better. I have my own journey. I have my own things I need to do to be better. Everyone does, right? So if you like this kind of information and you want to check out any of my other videos on stocks, crypto, credit, real estate, I dabble in a little bit of all of it because I do a lot of it. And if you have any questions, comments, or just want to drop a quick, hey, what's up, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.